Hey y'all, it's Jody May. Thanks for joining me for this Football Foodies collab. Hey you guys, I did a great collab with a couple beautiful ladies. You guys need to check out their channel. They did awesome recipes as well. And you wanted to subscribe and you want to click the bell so you don't miss any of their future videos. Let's get started.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted. Looking back, I can see it's all good. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me.
Okay, to do these chicken lollipops, you're going to see that I'm going all the way around the chicken leg with my knife. You need to have a very sharp knife. Do not cut into the bone, but what you're wanting to do is remove all of the skin and all of the gristles and things like that around the bottom part of the leg. Now, if you have anything that's kind of tricky or, not wanting to come off very well, you can trim it off with your knife after you get the majority of it off. It's pretty simple. Like I said, don't cut into the bone. Just remove the skin, things like that. However, and you guys, I leave skin on part of my lollipops, but I do remove the excess. And then on the very plump part of the chicken leg, just trim off to where it can stand on its own. But like I said, you're just going to go all the way around the chicken leg until you get all of that skin and stuff to where it can be pulled off pretty easy. Now you may have a couple pieces that want to be contrary and want to, cause you a little bit of a problem, but just breathe, just take your time and have fun with it, because trust me, making these chicken lollipops, they are really fun. And, it does take a little bit of time to do them, but trust me, if you guys are having any kind of a get-together or, you just want to show off just a little bit with your cooking skills, trust me, this is something that you're going to want to do.
The only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore.
Okay, now once you have them all trimmed up and ready to go, all you're going to do is take the plump part of the chicken and pull it down or smash it down, however you want to do it, toward the bottom once they're standing up. It doesn't take long, and then all you want to do here is just season them with whatever you're going to season them with. Now me, I seasoned them with some seasonal, some paprika, some garlic powder, things like that. But like I said, it's totally up to you how you guys want to season your chicken. But here you're going to notice that I'm just pushing down the meat. Be careful because there is that one little tiny bone in there. But trust me, as long as you watch what you're doing, it'll go smoothly. And then here I'm just going to go ahead and start my potato salad. Now for this potato salad, I am going to be using red potatoes. They are kind of small, and I'm just going to quarter them into fours, and then I'm going to go ahead and get them on to boil. I want them to boil until they are just slightly under tender. And then to that, I'm just going to go ahead and get an onion prepped up and ready to go. And I'm not going to use this whole onion. You can either use a small onion or half of a medium onion to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and mince that up. And then I did I think I did 5 boiled eggs. And then here I'm just chopping them up really good with the egg slicer, whatever you want to call this little gadget. And then I'm just putting them in there. Now to this, I am also going to add probably 1/4 of a green bell pepper. And I'm going to chop that up really, really, really small, just because I want to give it a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor, and a little bit of a crunch to this potato salad. And then I'll go ahead and put that in there. And then I added in probably 1/4 of a cup of them onions. And then 3 tablespoons of pickled relish. And then I added in about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then I mixed it up really, really, really well. And I stuck it in the refrigerator to chill for probably about 1 hour. Now, when the potato salad got finished, I put it into the refrigerator. The chicken was cooking. I went ahead and pulled out some corn on the cob, threw it into the oven, or into my microwave oven, and got it heated up. And that way, once it was finished, everything else was ready to go. 10 minutes before the chicken was done, I did pull it out, put some barbecue sauce on it, put it back in the oven for the remainder of the 10 minutes, and trust me guys, it was definitely tasty. Don't forget, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button and check them other ladies out and subscribe to the channel. You're not going to be disappointed.